If you are just joining, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories. Unleash the Beast, Chapter 5. The Beast. The air that poured from the dark room was unnaturally cold. So cold, Ethan could see his own breath curl in the candlelight. It carried a faint smell, like damp earth, and something faintly metallic. Blood, maybe. At first, there was nothing. Just darkness so deep, it seemed to swallow the candle's light whole. Then, in the blackness, two pale amber eyes opened. They didn't blink at first, just stared at him with the stillness of a predator deciding whether he was prey. When they did blink, it was slow, deliberate. A shape emerged from the shadows, and Ethan's mind struggled to understand it. The thing's body shimmered between forms. Fur rippled into scales. Scales dissolved into smoky mist. Sometimes it was vaguely human-shaped, other times like some wild animal from a nightmare. Its smile stretched too wide for any face to hold, lined with jagged teeth that seemed to glint without any light at all. "Thank you, boy," it purred, its voice deep and smooth, like velvet draped over knives. "I have been waiting." Ethan stumbled back, but his feet wouldn't carry him far. What are you?" The beast tilted its head as if the question amused it. "I am hunger. I am longing. I am what grows in the dark when you feed it with silence." It stepped past him, not rushing, but with the confident, fluid movements of something that knew it was unstoppable. Its shape brushed against his arm, cold as a winter wind. "Where are you going?" Ethan's voice cracked. The beast didn't look back. "To stretch my legs and to feed." Ethan's heart pounded so hard he thought it might burst. Somewhere deep inside, he realized what he'd done. He hadn't just opened a door. He'd set something loose, like comment, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.